Why stairs got harder and how to reverse it. Seniors, picture this. You reach the bottom of your staircase, look up, and your legs feel ready. Steady, light, strong. No handrail death grip, no burning quads, no stopping halfway. Just up you go, like you're 40 again. Something terrifying is happening to seniors worldwide, and almost no one is warning you. By age 65, more than 6 out of 10 older adults already struggle with stairs. By 75, it's nearly 8 out of 10. Not because you're lazy, not because this is just aging. It's because your muscle tissue is quietly shrinking, a condition called sarcopenia. Here's the real shocker. The specific muscle fibers you need for stair climbing, the powerful fast twitch fibers in your thighs and glutes, start disappearing as early as 60. By 70, as much as 41% of stair climbing strength can be gone, and still almost nobody talks about it. Why? Because there's no blockbuster pill for muscle. Muscle is built in the kitchen and reinforced by smart movement. But there is good news. Food can flip the switch back on. One simple daily food, cheap and easy, can improve lower body strength by nearly 50% in weeks. Not hype. Human studies. I'll show you 8 foods ranked from important to life-changing that reverse leg weakness and make stairs feel easy again. And the number 1 food? It's underrated, widely available, and could double your climbing power fast. Do your legs feel heavier on stairs? Do you grip the handrail more than before? Comment yes or no. I'll reply with tailored tips. All right, let's start at number 8 and climb our way to the top. Each step adds power to the next. Number 8, sweet potatoes make muscle more responsive to protein. Big idea. Turn down anabolic resistance and turn up protein use. Why it works. Beta-carotene, vitamin A, supports muscle cell integrity and recovery. Slow, steady carbs aid insulin sensitivity, so muscles actually absorb amino acids. Fiber, especially in the skin, feeds gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids that stimulate mitochondrial function in muscle. How to use it. Timing. 1 medium, 150 grams sweet potato, 30 to 60 minutes before your main protein meal to amplify muscle protein synthesis. Prep. Bake at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Eat the skin for 5 times more fiber. Pairing. Olive oil, cinnamon, plus pinch of salt. Cinnamon helps insulin sensitivity. Olive oil enhances nutrient absorption. Quick recipe, combo loaded muscle mash, baked sweet potato, Greek yogurt, plus chopped spinach, plus squeeze of lemon. Real life beat Margaret, 74, avoided her stairs. After 6 weeks of daily sweet potato before protein, she climbed without the handrail, quad strength up 31%. Caution, if you manage blood sugar, pair with protein and fiber and monitor your response. Number 7, sardines oil your muscle bone joint system. Big idea. Reduce friction, boost energy delivery, stabilize steps. Why it works. Omega-3s, EPA, DHA, calm inflammation around knees, hips, so each step feels lighter. CoQ10 refuels mitochondria, key for sustained stair efforts. Vitamin D, calcium support the bone tendon muscle interface for efficient power transfer. How to use it. Frequency, 2 to 4 times a week. Choose water or olive oil packed. Avoid soybean seed oils. Pairing, lemon or bell pepper, vitamin C, plus whole grain crackers for resistant starch. Quick recipe, combo sardine power toast. Whole grain toast, mashed sardines, diced bell pepper as lemon zest, black pepper. Real life beat Robert, 81, cut stair time from 12 min to 4 in 4 weeks. Vitamin D rose from 1842 nanograms. Biopsy showed more mitochondria. Caution, check sodium if on a low salt plan. Number 6, beets turn on your body's oxygen turbo. Big idea. Nitric oxide widens blood vessels so more oxygen reaches working muscles. Why it works. Dietary nitrates, nitric oxide, better oxygen delivery and efficiency, less breathlessness on stairs. Betaine protects muscle during hard contractions, supports creatine production for powerful step-ups. How to use it. Form 8 ounce fresh beet juice or half to 1 cup raw grated in salads. Heat, lightly steam 15 minutes. Avoid boiling, roasting to preserve nitrates. Mouthwash. Skip antiseptic mouthwash 2 hours before after to protect nitrate-converting oral bacteria. Quick recipe / combo beet berry smoothie. Beets plus berries plus Greek yogurt water. Sip 60-90 minutes pre-activity. Real life beat Dorothy, 77, with artery disease, climbed her entire staircase without stopping after 6 weeks of daily beet juice. Walking distance up 240%. Caution. History of kidney stones, moderate oxalates and hydrate. Number 5, Greek yogurt, overnight repair gut muscle axis. Big idea. Slow release casein plus probiotics recovery while you sleep. Why it works. Casein digests over 6 to 8 hours, dripping amino acids into muscle overnight. Leucine content helps older muscles trigger protein synthesis. Needs are higher than in younger adults. Probiotics, postbiotics reduce systemic inflammation that stalls recovery. How to use it. Timing, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Bowl, 1 to 1.5 cups plain full-fat Greek yogurt plus 1 tablespoon in ground flax plus half cup berries plus pinch cinnamon. Label, look for live and active cultures. Quick recipe combo bedtime builder bowl, Greek yogurt, flax plus berries plus cinnamon. Real life beat James, 79, split 1.5 cups morning, evening. In 10 weeks, stair speed doubled, quad thickness 15%. Caution, lactose sensitive? Try lactose-free Greek yogurt or kefir. Number 4, Spin It, the Contract Relax Mineral Plus Natural Ergogenic. Big idea. Magnesium smooths contractions. Plant nitrates and ecdysterone add a strength edge. Why it works. Magnesium regulates calcium channels so muscles fire and release cleanly. Goodbye cement legs. Plant nitrates support fast twitch fibers for step-ups. Ecdysterone activates muscle building pathways. Food that trains with you. How to use it. Target 2 to 3 cups raw or 1 cup cooked daily. Prep. Quick saute, 30 to 60 sec in olive oil or eat raw. Pair with vitamin C fruit to enhance iron absorption. Quick recipe combo warm spinach with soft boiled egg, olive oil, garlic, lemon, top with egg. Real life beat Patricia 82, saw restless legs resolve in 3 weeks and stair ability transform with spinach twice daily plus magnesium glycinate. Caution on blood thinners, keep vitamin K intake consistent, consult your clinician. Number 3, eggs, perfect protein plus better mind muscle signaling. Big idea. Protein qualities, choline, acetylcholine equals crisp, coordinated steps. Why it works. Complete protein with ideal amino acid pattern for rebuilding thigh glute muscle. Choline supports acetylcholine, the messenger that triggers contraction on cue. Vitamin D plus zinc help maintain fast twitch fiber power. How to use it. Dose, 2 whole eggs day. Training days consider 3. Cook, soft boiled, poached, or gentle scramble to preserve B vitamins. Timing, within 30 minutes post-activity for max repair. Quick recipe combo poached eggs over spinach and whole grain toast, sprinkle paprika. Real life beat George 76 went from crawling stairs to step ups in 12 weeks. Lean mass plus 2.8 kilo. Caution, managing cholesterol, pair with veggies fiber, discuss targets with your clinician. Number 2, wild salmon, endurance, anti-fatigue, high efficiency protein. Big idea. Omega-3s reduce breakdown. Astaxanthin fights fatigue. Vitamin D supports muscle genes. Why it works. EPA, DHA lower protein breakdown and boost synthesis for a net gain. Astaxanthin reduces lactic burn during repeated step-ups. Protein is efficiently used to build new fibers. How to use it. Frequency 2 to 4 servings week. Type wild-caught sockeye. Coho. Cook 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 min. Eat the skin for collagen. Quick recipe combo sheet pan salmon with asparagus, olive oil, lemon. Real life beat Barber 83 ate wild salmon 4 times a week. In 8 weeks, she climbed 3 flights with groceries and reduced pain markers. Caution. If on anticoagulants, discuss omega-3 increases with your clinician. Number 1, whey protein. Fast trigger that defeats anabolic resistance. Big idea. High leucine plus rapid absorption equals strong signal for muscle building right now. Why it works. Leucine, 2.5 to 3 grams per 25 to 30 gram weight, crosses the threshold. Older muscles need to start protein synthesis. Fast absorption spikes amino acids in 20 to 30 minutes. Cysteine, glutathione boosts recovery and protects muscle from oxidative stress. Immunoglobulins help tame systemic inflammation that blocks growth signals. How to use it. Dose 25 to 40 green whey isolate within 30 minutes post-activity. Second 20-30 grams before bed. Mix water for speed plus a half banana if you need a small carb assist. Stack. Pair the bedtime whey with Greek yogurt for fast, slow synergy. Quick recipe combo post-walk shake. Whey isolate plus water. Bedtime stack whey plus Greek yogurt. New calf pain, one-sided swelling, or sudden shortness of breath? Stop and seek medical care. Dizziness on stairs? Sit, hydrate, check blood pressure, medications with your clinician. Knee pain? Use shorter step height, slower tempo, and drive through the heel. 7-day starter plan. Food simple stair practice. Day 1, AM beet berry smoothie, post-walk whey shake. Dinner wild salmon sheet pan, Greek yogurt bowl, stairs 3-4 steps. Day 2, a.m. poached eggs over spinach, pre-protein baked sweet potato, post-walk, whey, yogurt, stairs, 4x4 steps. Day 3, wet M, sardine power toast plus lemon, post-walk, whey, dinner, salmon or egg spinach, p.m. yogurt, stairs, 3x6 steps. Day 4, do a.m. eggs plus spinach, pre-protein sweet potato, post-walk, whey, yogurt, reflux, stairs, 4x6 steps. Day 5, a.m. beet smoothie, lunch, Greek yogurt bowl, dinner, salmon's greens, post-walk, whey, stairs, 5 steps. Day 6, sat, sardines plus crackers, midday, sweet potato, post-activity, whey, p.m. yogurt, stairs, 3x8 steps. Day 7, sun, eggs plus spinach, optional salmon dinner, post-walk, whey, p.m. yogurt, stairs, 4x8 steps, light effort. Which of these 8 will you start this week? Type it below. I'll reply with a simple 7-day plan for you. If this helped, hit like to help another senior find it. Subscribe for weekly strength tips and share this with someone who's fighting the stairs right now.